You think he's going to take this one? Yeah! Compact but full of power. And what about here's the Hawthorne. Who clubs were wide when he bowled them. Followed Blackaretti. The Rashford. Flipped it out there, going off the tank machine. Right. I told you the brute strength Diomedes is full of power. The scouting is discarded. In a final. so nice to be on the business end of that transaction. There she goes. How do we, look, my ladies, let's hear it for the White Stag Squire.